guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I don't think I've ever filmed a video like this, like standing up and stuff, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. And today's video is gonna be kind of quick and just basic, and I just want to give you guys some ideas on how to kind of just stay sane and productive and happy during this difficult time. Just give you guys some ideas of things to do and also some adjustments to make to your daily routine, I guess, if that makes sense. So this video is going to be quick and easy, but thank you guys so much for even watching this video. I've seen some other YouTubers that do this. I was watching Danielle Carolyn's video the other day, and then I decided I wanted to make that for my subscribers, but kind of different and put my own little twist to some things. So I'm just going to give you guys some ideas of things you can work on and do to be productive during this difficult time. And if you like this video, if you're inspired by it or whatever, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, or shoot me a DM on Instagram or anywhere, and I will get back to you if you have any questions about anything. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that's not even on the list is to support local businesses. I went to our local coffee shop this morning and got me a coffee. There was no contact involved. I didn't touch anything except for this. So things like that you can easily do because there are so many businesses struggling. Tip your waiters or waitresses or delivery service people. I guess you can't really, go in restaurants to eat right now, but anybody that does takeout or delivery, be kind to them, pray for them. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the video, and yeah, here we go. Very first thing is something that, guys, you don't have an excuse not to do if it's something that you're interested in. It's kind of like a four-part thing, so bear with me. The very first thing that you can work on while you are quarantined and forced to stay stuck at home is start a YouTube channel if you've been wanting to do so for quite some time. I've gotten a lot of messages from people, how do I start a channel? Like, I'm just kind of scared. Now you have like no excuse. Even if you want to just film an intro video, do a fun fact video of like 10 funny facts about yourself, do a day in my life staying at home vlog, do a morning routine vlog, do a makeup tutorial, do a what's in my closet, I don't know, just something like that. There's like 6 videos right there, so you pretty much have your first month's worth of content right there. So those are definitely some things that you can easily film. You could film all of those pretty much in a day. So I definitely recommend, if you've been wanting to start a channel, now is the time. Also, kind of going off that, something that I've been wanting to work on for quite some time but have been making excuses of I'm busy or whatever is my online website, duh. So I want to make a website just so I can connect all of my videos and links to everything all in one spot. I have the website built out, but I just need to upload content. So this week is like the perfect week to work on that. And also, kind of going off of these, something that I feel like a lot of, especially seniors in college, I feel like my heart goes out to you so hard, but I think that this is the perfect time to work on your online portfolio or your regular portfolio or your resume. Now for me, when I was in college, it took me like a month to really perfect my resume before I was ready to send it out, and now is that perfect time to really work on it. Watch some online tutorials on how to get that perfect resume, get advice from people. Sorry, that was my computer. I'm about to start working in about 20 minutes, so that's a really good idea, and this is the perfect time to really work on that because resumes, believe it or not, can be super duper time consuming. Next thing is to really challenge your mind and to do an online class from an Ivy League college / university. Now, yeah, you heard me right. There are so many different universities that are Ivy League that are offering free online courses right now. Yeah, free. And I will link the website down below where all of those are located, but that is something that I'm gonna do because I miss school so much. I miss learning and challenging my mind. So now is the perfect time to start that, even if you're just researching them, signing up. I also would love to learn Spanish. That's something that I've been wanting to do. I do not know about this angle. This is kind of awkward, but we're gonna roll with it. I definitely look into taking online courses. Again, I'll link that down below where all of those are. The third thing that you can work on during this time is experimenting in the kitchen. Yeah, it can be super fun and super relaxing. If you're home right now, you probably do have random ingredients in your pantry. You have random spices. You can work on making something for your family. You can work on different pasta sauces or marinades with all your spices. You can work on breakfast foods. There are so many different things that you could experiment with in the kitchen. You don't have to go by a rule book or a cookbook. You can make your own recipes. and this is the perfect time for that. Or you can work on like playing around with old recipes, you know, whatever you want to do. Cooking is something that I've always loved to do, and I think it can be just super relaxing. The fourth thing is something that I've actually been wanting to do, believe it or not. I've been wanting to relearn my old cheer dances from high school, and if you were a cheerleader or on the dance team or whatever, there's also this app called TikTok that seems to be really popular. I actually don't have a TikTok, but that's another fun thing to do to kind of get you active, and it's a fun little, like, honestly kind of like a workout, is learning old dances. So I'm gonna go the old-fashioned route and go to YouTube and look up like UCA hip hop dances from like 2010 to 2015, because that's when I was a cheerleader. I'm gonna go and relearn all of those, even though a lot of those I still remember, but they were really fun, and I think it's a good way to be active and just kind of, you know, give you something to do. Fifth thing that is something that I feel like this time of year is perfect for, and that we all kind of avoid, is spring cleaning. Now this is the time to not only like clean like with like Lysol and scrubbing bubbles and all that, but also go into your closet and clean it out, clean out the old clothes that you don't want anymore. Now you have no excuse but to kind of go through those things and clean it out. I don't recommend selling them right now because of everything that's going on. I do have an Instagram page where I've been selling my clothes, but obviously I've put a pause on that because of everything that's going on, but I'll pick back up with that once it's all over. But now is the perfect time to at least get your pile and your bags ready of all of your old clothes and just things that you don't want anymore, things that you want to donate, things that you want to sell, you know, just kind of get all of that stuff ready and just clean it out, get clean. Next thing that you can do is something that I feel like is super popular, but at home workouts through YouTube or online gyms. So Planet Fitness and Total Boxing are two of the gyms that I go to in Columbus, and I love them both. But they are offering online courses right now for, I guess not for free, but kind of for free. Well, I guess Planet Fitness actually is doing it for free, but so many gyms are doing it for free online. Just look into those, look into classes you've been wanting to do, take some free online classes, and oh, sorry, it just recorded everything I just said and typed it. Anyway, so now is the perfect time to do online classes, or even just going to YouTube. I love Sweat Fitness. She's a really good YouTuber. There are so many YouTubers that do really good at-home workouts. I've also been doing jump rope and playing basketball and running around in my yard, and that kind of leads into number 7, which is work on your running and stretch. I also want to get back into stretching. I used to be kind of flexible, and I also used to love to run. I actually ran the 2-mile in high school, so I want to get back to where I can just run outside, you know, with my headphones in, and just, it can be kind of relaxing. So now is the perfect time to run around outside, since you can't really, you know, run on a treadmill. So those are two things that kind of go off of each other, but work on your running and your working out, just all of those good things. 8 is doing puzzles or any other kind of games. I've been doing so many puzzles. I've actually done 3 puzzles this week, and it's the perfect thing to like put your phone down and challenge your mind and just kind of put on a movie or a TV show. I've been watching The Office and doing puzzles this whole week, and it has been so fun and relaxing. I've loved every second of it. I want more puzzles. I'm stressed because I think I'm gonna run out before all of this is over, but puzzles are super duper fun. Also, that kind of leads into the next thing, which is reading or doing a devotional. I'm actually a part of a small group this semester, so I've been doing that devotional book. So that's something that I've been doing, but I also want to just start reading more. So if there's like a series that you've been wanting to read, now's the time to do so. Last thing that you can be working on is your art. And art can be so many different things. So you can do makeup, you can do photography, you can do drawing or painting. Just, there's so many different forms of art, and art's one of my favorite things. I think it's such a good way to kind of express yourself. Art can also be dance or whatever, and I think that that's something that you could easily take this time to work on. I actually didn't bring a lot of makeup home with me for this next time period, but I wish I did, because I would definitely be playing around with my makeup. But yeah, so just work on your art, work on some pictures. If you want to make an online portfolio, you can do both of those things during this time. Okay guys, I had to step away for a minute, but now I'm back, and the 5 things to kind of keep you sane and productive and just overall happy and not depressed and sad. I have 5 different things right in front of me. Sorry if that sentence made no sense, but the first thing is to make a schedule and stick with it every single day. Now this is something I normally do anyway, but even if you're taking classes from home, working from home or if everything just got canceled for you, I feel like setting up a time to wake up, to make your bed, to get ready, put on a little bit of makeup just to kind of make you feel like you're doing something, set time to read or to work out. You know, I have been waking up early in the morning. I woke up at 6 this morning, came down, like had breakfast, went and got coffee, cleaned up a little bit, checked my emails. I'm filming this video all before I start work, and I feel like that daily schedule kind of makes you feel like you still have something to look forward to every single day, and especially just putting on a little bit of makeup, just getting kind of dressed and not staying in your pajamas all day. So having that schedule really does help. The second thing that you can kind of stick by is to not eat too unhealthy. Now, I'm not saying to not experiment in the kitchen, not to make your favorite dishes or whatever, but don't only eat junk food, because you will start to feel that impact after a couple of days of only eating junk food. Now, I've been trying to eat green smoothies every day and incorporating more fruits and vegetables into my daily diet, and it's okay to eat the bad foods too, don't get me wrong, but it is very important to kind of stick with a pretty healthy diet, especially if you're cooped up in your house. And that kind of leads up to the third thing, which is to get daily physical activity. I have been literally playing basketball and running around in my yard and doing jump rope. That's been like my big thing. I feel like being active daily will kind of help you, and it'll help your mental health as well as your physical health. It'll increase your endorphins and all that good stuff. I'm not a doctor, but I do know those things. So just do something active, even if it's just a daily sanity walk. I know people that live in big cities and that live in apartments that have still been going on walks around their block or through the park or around your neighborhood or wherever you can go. Just do something that will kind of get your blood pumping every day and some sort of physical activity. The fourth thing is to not spend too much time on your phone and to challenge your mind. I feel like that's so important, because I feel like we can all just sit and scroll through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok and just go back and forth between all of those. But like I said, I've been really loving puzzles. I've already done 3 puzzles in the past couple of days, and I feel like even just having The Office on in the background and doing a puzzle has been so nice. Take an online course, learn a new language, something that'll just challenge your mind. Being in the kitchen cooking can be so it can really make your mind think. I feel like sometimes with this going on, we just want to be on our phones and watching Netflix all day, but it is important to kind of get your brain going so that way you don't get sad. Like, it just kind of goes hand in hand, and I feel like putting your phone down is so important. Also, any of these things on this list, like starting a website or a YouTube channel, use that time to kind of learn more about it. Take online courses, learning dances, doing workouts, cleaning, just do something that's not involving just, you know, your face inside technology. And the last important thing that you can do is pray. Pray for all the doctors and nurses that don't get time off during this, that are kicking their own butts every single day to take care of people. And also beyond that, think about the grocery store workers. My first job was actually working at a grocery store, and my heart goes out to them so hard, because honestly, just working in a grocery store in general without craziness going on can still be super demanding. It is a whole different type of dealing with the public, let me tell you, and I can't imagine what all they're going through. So pray for them, pray for anybody being affected by COVID-19, pray for your family, pray for your own health, and say thanks. Just thank God for your health and thank God for where you are, and to have this time to really reflect on everything that's important to you. And just please, just pray for all these people being affected. Pray for the doctors and everyone that's trying to find a cure for this, because it's just so devastating. Pray for all the small business owners. It just really is a hard time. Like, the delivery service people, tip them really well. If you order something to go, just, you know what to do. Guys, my camera just fell off of the holder, and I'm so surprised that it's okay, but that was pretty much it. So those are all the things that I encourage you to try and do during the next couple of weeks or months, or however long this is gonna last. Those were just some of my tips. I know they were really quick and I was kind of just spitting them out, but if you have any questions or any ideas of things that you're doing, please comment them down below so other people can try them as well. And thank you for watching this video, and stay blessed and stay inside. Keep your hands to yourself. Also support small businesses and pray. And I'm praying for all of you, and thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.